there, all my food preparing buddies! Let me introduce you to my newfound super product, Kitchen Culinary Must-Have by Stone Boomer. Hey, take a look at this beautiful, modern design, organized and eye-catching display of super sharp kitchen knives. Picture this gleaming display case as a centerpiece to your stunning modern kitchen. You will have all your friends commenting at its beauty. Never search for a knife again between all other utensils. This organized, durable knife block is what you've been searching for. This knife set exceeds all your expectations. Whether being the chef in your own home or in a commercial kitchen, you will be using the most professional knife set. Now, you have finally found the good stuff. Let's take a look. This set is gleaming. It's one-piece blade and handle design made of stainless steel, grade number 430 rust-resistant steel. This knife is designed to never break. The handle is very comfortable and has an excellent grip, making it easy and effortless to cut, carve, and do any creation in the kitchen easily. Now, let's not forget the sharpness of these knives. They are very sharp and can tackle even the heaviest chores of food preparation. Let me demonstrate. Cut and prepare the most delicious sushi and fish dishes with this excellent chef knife. Everyone will be asking, more please? It can be used for a variety of chopping, slicing, cutting. Slice the freshest, softest bread or even not so soft bread or rolls with a serrated bread knife. What a breeze! Watch as this carving knife carves the most succulent pieces of meat with the greatest precision and ease. Watch our utility knife slicing and cutting your pies and cakes to perfection. Being a lighter chef knife will do a great job too, slicing and chopping the small fruits and vegetables. Paring knife can create gorgeous fruit and vegetable salads and platters, appealing to everyone's eyes and palate. This is the knife to use for all smaller details. Even the blade is small. Get to all smaller details. The handle is still the same size and shape as the rest of the big knife, making it just as comfortable to use. Sit back and enjoy a dining experience with your family and friends. Serve the choicest steaks and use our 6 steak knives for an easy and enjoyable dinner. This set is really easy care. Just wash by hand with a soft cloth and liquid dishwashing soap in warm water. Pat dry with a rag and you have a gleaming Stone Boomer knife set, beautifully displayed and organized on your counter, ready for your next use. My dear friend, let's not forget, this set comes with 2 very valuable and useful extras. 1. A great kitchen scissor makes cutting raw chicken pieces or cleaning a chicken very handy. Open any food package or carton easily. It's a very important tool in every kitchen. 2. A knife sharpener, which is a very important tool to any cook. Although this Stone Boomer knife set is extremely sharp, the sharpener makes your knife set complete. Let's take a look at the storage block made of see-through acrylic for beauty. Each knife fits specifically in its slot for safe storage, ready for your next use. Displayed on the counter, ready for your many great culinary experiences. Enjoy!